All right. Welcome back, everyone. It's Tim Irvin here. Welcome to our Forex Weekly Forecast. This is it for the week of February 14 to the 18th. So I want to wish everyone a happy Valentine's Day, guys. So Monday it is a Valentine here in the United States. I guess it's anywhere in the world as well. So happy Valentine to everyone. Hopefully you guys will have some good time with your loved one, with your friends. It's not all about relationships, so you can enjoy Valentine with your friends, your mom, and everyone. So family is family. But I just wanted to let you know, guys, today we are going to be reviewing our Forex Weekly Forecast, trading with our multiple time frame and with our website as well, TWEforexsystem.com. So let's go. Let's see what the market is gonna be offering us this week. So I want you guys to stay with me to the end, guys. I'm gonna be showing you one of the pairs that I'm planning to trade. So in this video, what are you gonna be learning? So what are you gonna be learning here is that I'm gonna be sharing with you step by step exactly how I'm gonna be breaking down each pair. So stay with me, even if you like 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5. But today I am posting here Bitcoin. So if you are interested or planning to trade this pair here, let me know. But hey, it is what it is. So but I'm still gonna give it to you. So if you are planning to trade, so trade it. But there it is. It's a bad here on this broker. They call it big cash versus the US dollar. All right, so let's see what the market is doing on this one, guys. So this is what I always remind everyone. Always pay attention to your dashboard, guys. Look at this pair here. It's telling you straightforward that everything here, it is selling at this present time. So Friday, the market left us in here, letting us know the market, it is selling this particular pair. So let me know if you are planning to trade. But what am I seeing here, guys? This is what I'm seeing here. Look at here, multiple time frame, and the dashboard is letting us know that we are in a buy position. So it's clearly letting us know, hey, the market, it is bullish. Look at our white multiple time frame also confirming that yes, we are in a buy position. Our blue arrow also confirming that yes, we are on a buy position, and our TWE sniper entry is also confirming that yes, the market is in a buy trend. So if it is in a buy trend, why is the dashboard showing us that we are selling? That's a good question. That's a really good question. Well, let me explain you why. So what the market is doing here, guys, the market is giving us a what? It's giving us a pullback. So my understanding for this coming week, guys, this particular pair here, it is gonna be selling, retesting your 23.6 Fibonacci level, which is previous. Look at here, previous touches in here. I really like this. And then from there, remember, the market here is bullish, and then from here market will come back and continue as a buy position, retesting your 50 Fibonacci level, which is another level in here as well, and then it's gonna make kind of small retracement. But remember, guys, on Tuesday I'm planning to do a private one-on-one with a trader. If you want to join that class, it's gonna be free. I'm not gonna be charging no one a damn penny. I want the world to learn how to trade with rules. Come in, join us, so you will never miss any content from our channel. So you're gonna be learning a lot of good stuff. The only thing is that you're not gonna have multiple time frame, but at least you're gonna learn how we're gonna be using and utilizing the multiple time frame. And then if you decide to grab it, we're gonna give you 40% off. Anyway, the deal is already cheap, so it's a good deal, man. All right, so let me go ahead and show you the next pair that I have. Let me know in the comment below, guys, if you are finding value so far. If you are, guys, please do me a favor, guys. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you are finding value so far. Leave a comment so I can go ahead and help you out. But coming on Tuesday, you will be blessed. In other words, cannot describe it better than that. All right, so here's GBP USD. Remember, guys, what I said in the beginning of the video, guys, stay with me to the end. Stay with me to the end. You will be learning a lot of good, amazing stuff in here, so stay with me to the end. So here on GBP USD, Pay close attention to your dashboard, guys. The dashboard is very important. So market here on GBP USD is bullish, guys. So market is trying to give us a fake selling, but hey, it is what it is. But let me show you why the market is doing what it's doing, right? So we're looking for our multiple time frame, going with the dashboard. Here it is. Saying Irving, I'm in a buy position. TW Sniper Andrew saying Irving, I'm in a buy position. What it is your stairs doing? Stairs is going bullish, right? That's what the market is doing. It's not doing anything else. So what am I seeing here? What happened on Friday, guys? What happened on Friday? Here on our forex trading forecast, this is what I'm seeing here, guys. What I'm seeing is the market just may push a bit lower. Most likely on Sunday, Monday is gonna push to this green arrow here, and the market is gonna resume back to business, because all we're seeing here is the market is bullish, and it's gonna come back and retest these previous multiple time frame levels here, and then by then it's gonna be Wednesday, and it's gonna make a small retracement. So we are gonna reviewing this data that I'm teaching you here today, guys. We're gonna be reviewing this data on Wednesday, because I like to teach only real data, reality. I don't care about back data, because back data will not make me money. Neither you, neither the future traders that are coming, you know, a few months from now. So none of them are gonna be making money in back data. So you make money only in real time. So if someone is gonna sell you signal, guys, make sure they teach you why they're taking that sell, why they're taking that buy. Exact same thing what I'm describing you here. Look, if I make a mistake, guess what? On Wednesday, you're gonna find out that I make a mistake. That's why this is very important, guys. So don't buy signal, guys. Learn how to trade, guys. The market is very simple to learn. Look, if the trade is ready, it's ready. If not, you got no business to be on the market. All right, fair enough. All right, so let's go ahead and review the next pair. The next pair that I have for you guys here, I told you that I was gonna give you one of the pair that I'm trading, guys, and I didn't close it on Friday because, oh my goodness, it went bullish like crazy. To be honest, multiple time frame was on fire, guys. This I trade gold on Friday as a buy position. I told you that I was gonna tell you one of the pair that I'm still trading, and I'm still planning to trade it more this coming week. Remember, this is the week of February 14th to the 18th. Happy Valentine to everyone. Happy Valentine to everyone. All right, so let's move forward. So what's going on here? Pay close attention to the dashboard. Look at what gold is doing here, guys. Look at what the dashboard is saying. Irving and the world market is only going in one direction, and that direction is bullish. That's all it's doing. If you disagree with me, let me know in the comment below. If you want me to teach you how to trade, let me know in the comment below. I will bet that I will take my time to get into your mind so you can learn how to trade the market correctly. I will make sure that you learn this market correctly. Now it will be up to you if you want to learn, but I will be teaching you every movement of the market. But what's happening in here? What is the multiple time frame doing with the dashboard, guys, on gold? Look at here. Boom. Boom. Market is bullish. Look at the stairs. Same thing with the BTC, guys. Look at here. Boom, boom. What's the market doing? I love it, guys. Market is only going in one direction. But what's going on Friday, guys? Look, Friday, the market did respect this previous high here. Still pushing up. So there's another multiple levels in here, very key level. That's why I draw this magenta line in here. So market still has potential to go another probably 30, 40, 50 more pips. Then from there, we are gonna be looking for a pullback. So pullback is gonna be forming in here, looking for that retracement, right? So market here is gonna give us most likely a multiple time frame coming down, and guess what? Market is going to do what I'm telling you here so far. Look, I don't have a magic ball here, but I like to analyze. So far this month of February, guys, we have analyzed the market 2 weeks already, and it has been amazing. I don't know what this week is gonna be about, because look, I'm not here to predict the market 100% right all the time. There will be some time that I'm gonna be correct. There will be some other time the market has to go against me, because the market is the market. Market is always gonna be right. I will be making mistake, but I want to win at least 75% winning ratio of my trades, guys. That is my goal. Remember, discipline is the key of this business, guys. If you don't have discipline, and money management is also the key of this business, guys. If you need help on that, please let me know. Remember, you are defined by your courage, guys. So trade with rules. Rules is everything, guys. If you don't have a plan, this business will not work for you. All right, so yes, the market is gonna come back all the way to this magenta line, and then it's gonna make a retracement. Then it will continue as a buy. Why? Because the market is bullish. We're gonna come back on Wednesday, and you're gonna see it. You're gonna judge and say, Irvin, the market got you. Irvin, you were wrong. Whatever it is the answer, we are gonna do it with you live, because that's all I care. Wednesday, guys. Wednesday, we're gonna be doing this live, either Wednesday or Thursday. All right. Here's another pair, USD Canadian, guys. I really like this pair. I was gonna give you only 4 pairs this week, guys, but I did decide to give you 5 pairs because the market is very nicely. Look at the dashboard, guys. Oh my God, guys! If you don't have the multiple time frame, the link is on the description of this video. Come and grab it. You would love it. And so we are gonna give you 40%, and also we do have forex trading merchandise. There's a link on the description. Take a look at it, guys. Maybe you can help the channel, support the channel by purchasing 1 or 2 or 3 t-shirt, sweater, whatever you want. But there is some merchandise available to the world. All right, so look at here, multiple time frame. The dashboard is saying what? Saying everyone is bullish. What is the TWE going with the dashboard? Look at here. Boom, boom. Look at the stairs. Boom, boom, boom. Everything here. Look at here. Bullish, bullish, bullish. So what happened on Friday, guys? What happened on Friday? Market is bullish. That's what multiple time frame saying. So in here, all I can say, guys, market still has potential to retest this previous multiple time frame here. That could be the stop, or either it can go to the next multiple time frame in here. But I'm gonna play, safely and say, hey guys, this is the level. So I'm planning to take it to this level here. From here, we are expecting to see a pullback right on this area, retesting your 78.6 Fibonacci level. Then guess what? The market will continue as bullish. Why is bullish? Because the market here is bullish, guys. What do you guys think, guys? Do you guys think that USD Canadian is bullish or bearish? Bullish represent buy, and bearish represent sell. So do you think the market is in a buy or either it's in a sell? What do you think it is doing, guys? Look, let me know in the comment below, guys. Let me know. I want to help you guys. I really want to help each and every one of you, but the market is always going to be right. So we're going to come back on Wednesday anyway. So let me know what you think, and you will love it. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next pair. One of the most favorite trade pair the world trade, guys. That is the most tradable pair in the world, and that is what? That is Euro USD. Let's go. Let's see what the market is doing. And look, oh my goodness, trading multiple time frame is what you need, and that's all you need in your NT4. Look at here. Look at the dashboard. For those traders, they are frustrated or trading from one system to another system, and they're not teaching you exactly real data and reality. Because look, here on multiple time frame, we teach you only real data, only what is happening in the market. If you get bored by what is happening in real time, then this is not a business for you, to be honest. Look at here, dashboard is saying what? Market is selling. So what is our multiple time frame doing with the dashboard on Euro USD? Look, I did give you last week, I told you when the market was going to be bullish. I told the world the market is bullish. So now I'm telling you a different thing this time. So what I'm seeing here is the multiple time frame with the dashboard still bullish. So market has been bullish. But in here we have our multiple time frame selling down. So if it's selling, that represents the market is doing a pullback. So market is doing sell slash pullback. So market is selling. So all I can say, guys, is the market has potential to retest your 50 Fibonacci level once again, or either it's gonna come back to this previous multiple time frame here, which is gonna be between your 50 and your 61. But to play safe, I'm gonna say that we are gonna leave it here on the 50 Fibonacci level. Then from here we are gonna continue on this bullish trend here, because the market here is bullish. The market will continue as a buy between your 38 and your 23 Fibonacci level, which is your previous multiple time frame as well. The market make a small retracement, then finally will continue as a buy position. I'm telling you guys, this week is gonna be on fire. So guys, if you guys want to grab our multiple time frame, we are giving you 40% off. Make sure you do that, grab it. That is your Valentine gift to you and to the world. So we are giving you 40% off. So come and join us. And I'm super pumped up on this week, guys. I really don't know if all this analysis that I'm giving you here is gonna play out, but all I can tell you is that I'm taking 3 of these 5 pairs that I'm giving you today. I'm gonna be trading 3 of those pairs. I'm not gonna tell you which one they are, and I'm trading one more that I traded. I showed it to the team, and I bank this Friday. That bank just on Friday, I think it was like almost $2,500 just on Friday. That was a dang good day, guys. It was really good. So come and join us. Come and get hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of what? And hundreds of pips. The decision is yours. Guys, also join our Facebook, our Instagram, our WhatsApp. There's a free link for the worlds that live out, that don't live here in the United States. They can send me a private message. All the links is on the description of this video. And remember one thing, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not giving you anything like that. So don't trade any money you can afford to lose. And remember one thing, guys, what are we doing today, guys? All we're doing today is we are reviewing our Forex weekly forecast for the week of February 14 to the 18th. Come and get us 40% off. And as always, guys, God bless you, God bless your family, and God bless the world and our beautiful nation, the United States of America. So once again, guys, thank you so much. Hasta la vista, baby. Let's go.